Hello, good morning, guys. So today, I'm in another ID. That's not my ID actually. Okay, so I'm here just to tell there is a road, Golden Road City. I'll show you. Click on adventure. This is Golden Road City. You can see I'm entering in the Golden Road City, and this is Ilex Forest. Ilex Forest. You can see you will have to enter in this forest and cross this forest to go forward in this game, in this adventure. This is something confusing. Even I was also confused in the starting, but now I understand. After clicking on this, you will have this type of page, and you can see you can know about this Ilex Forest. Click on the question mark. Okay, you can see here written the fourth. When all the Pokemon led by you faint, you will automatically get out of the Ilex Forest. When reaching the exit of the Ilex Forest, you will unlock the next storyline stage. So you have to cross the exit, means you have to reach the exit to unlock the next storyline stage. Now, required skill, you can see below there, required skill is cut and headbutt. So you will have Pokemons who have these moves. I have choose these Pokemons. I have Sneasel who have cut move and Charmeleon who have headbutt. This will help us to cross the Ilex Forest. So let's enter here. Start adventure. Now I'm here. You can see. Click on the shoes to run fast. Below, sorry, above the shoes, you can see there's a Pokemon. I forget his name. It's a Pokemon, and this man, you can see his name is Fatty. These Pokemons are there, means these Pokemons are Fatty's Pokemons, and he want to get them back. He want his Pokemons to get them back, and then he will move from here. And you can see there's a path here above side. You can see the face in which direction in my face is. You can see there's a way, and he is blocking it. So if you want to cross this, you have to return back those Pokemons to Fatty. And now let's, you can see there's a Pokemon. uh, you have to cross this. I step on this woods, and it's telling something. Fast fades noticed here. As soon as it steps on the branch, it will alert the sound and look here. So you have to be safe from these woods. You don't have to step on this. मतलब कि इस स्टेप्स, ये जो लकड़ियाँ का जो गुट्ठा जो दिख रहा है, ये जो लकड़ियाँ हैं, इस पे हमें पैर नहीं रखना है. अदरवाइज जो फास्ट पोकेमोन है वो इसे सुन लेगा और अलर्ट हो जाएगा और वो हमारी तरफ देखने लगेगा. इट विल स्टार्ट स्टेयरिंग अस इन आवर डायरेक्शन. सो बट let's move again. Let's move. You can see he is facing here because I stepped on there on this wood, and now he is steering me in this direction. हम मुझे स्टेप किए थे वुड्स पे और वो मेरी तरफ देख रहा है. अगर उसे पकड़ना है, इफ यू वांट टू कैच हिम, देन यू हैव टू अटैक हिम फ्रॉम बैक. सो यू कैन सी हियर जस्ट वुड्स ऑल्सो. यहाँ भी एक वुड्स का ढेरा है. इससे बच के लाना होगा. अगर इधर इस पे पैर रख दिए हम लोग, इफ ही स्टेप ऑन दिस, then Farshid starts staring in this direction. He is let's tell is south direction. He is facing in south direction. So if you step on this one, this one, then it will start staring in east direction. Okay. Now जैसे कि हम कहें कि इसको अगर पकड़ना है तो अटैक करना है तो पीछे से करना पड़ेगा. तो अभी इधर फेस किया हुआ है, इज फेसिंग इन साउथ डायरेक्शन. सो लेट्स गो फ्रॉम बैक. आई एम गोइंग फ्रॉम बैक. And now click on this button. Patches. Wow, I got it. You can see above the shoes 1 by 2. I captured one Pokemon. Now let's go to the second. First one was easy. Second one is something. Yeah. Second one is something. वो थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करता है. तो यहाँ पे है. यहाँ पे इधर हमारी तरफ फेस किया हुआ है. He is facing towards me, and I can't catch it because he is facing towards me. I have to catch it from back. So we have to do something. I came here, go in this direction, and now स्टेप ऑन दिस वुड्स, इस ये जो लकड़ी का ढेर दिख रहा है इस पे हमें जाना होगा। हाँ, हम इधर किए। सो नाउ फास्ट इज लुकिंग टुवर्ड्स अस, this direction changes, but even now I can't go back him because there are the trees in his back. So we have to move it, we have to bring him another position. So for it you have to do something like what we have to do. Look, he escaped any other position. We have to do something like we have to bring him in on this position, the position at which I am right now. I have to bring him here. Okay, so let's bring him here first. Okay, he is turning towards me. Now let's attack on him. After attacking he will escape. He escaped on this direction, and again now again attack on him. Now he is from there, he is at this position where I was telling you about. अभी वहाँ पोजीशन पे है. नाउ इफ यू वांट टू अटैक हिम फ्रॉम बैक, लेट्स गो टू दिस वुड्स. अगर हम इस वुड्स पे अगर हम अपना पैर रखेंगे तो वो इधर देखने लगेगा, फिर हम उसके पीछे से हमला कर सकते हैं. इफ यू विल अटैक हिम, इफ यू विल स्टेप ऑन दिस वुड्स, सो नाउ ही विल स्टडिंग अस. नाउ वी कैन अटैक ऑन हिम फ्रॉम बैक. अब हम लोग उसके पीछे से अटैक कर सकते हैं. तो चलते हैं उसके पीछे. लेट्स गो. नाउ आई एम ऑन हिज बैकयार्ड. क्या कहते हैं इसको, पता नहीं. अब मैं उसके पीछे हूँ. अब नाउ आई कैन अटैक ऑन हिम बिकॉज आई एम not in front of him, not inside, I am in his back. So now let's click on the button and attack on him. After attacking, I caught it. Now I caught both the fast phase, the fatties Pokemons. Now let's go to the fatty again. He is fatty now. Okay, now let's talk to him. He is talking in something Japanese language, I think. I can't read it. I got his father. He gave me a Pokemon, but not beneficial for me. Determine. And now you can go here, but there is a tree. So you have to a Pokemon who have cut move. So now let's use Sneasel. I will show you Sneasel. Here Sneasel. He have a cut move, so he will cut the trees and give us a way. Click on here. The tree seems very weak. Do you want to use the move cut? Yes, I want to use. Click on yes. I choose Sneasel, and now Sneasel cut the trees. Now I have a way. Now let's go here. There's a old man. Let's talk to him. When colorful lights means mixed with silver light, a legendary Pokemon will appear from Alex Forest Shrine. He is telling something about legendary Pokemon. We have. Who is here? I encounter a Pokemon. Let's fight. I hope. Lillipup. Ah, Artifact. Let's get rid of him. मिशन इज टू बी एग्जिट फ्रॉम दिस इलेक्स फॉरेस्ट. हमको इस फॉरेस्ट से एग्जिट होना है. मिशन हमारा ये है. अब हमको एग्जिट खोजना होगा. वी हैव टू फाइंड द एग्जिट. वेयर इज एग्जिट? आई प्ले दिस गेम बट आई फॉरगेट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. वी हैव टू स्विम लाइक स्विम. नो, देयर इज नो स्विमिंग ऑप्शन. वेयर वी हैव टू गो? लेट्स गो हियर. हियर इज समवन. Oh no, I can't. Okay, here's a way. There's a way. Where is the exit? Where is the exit? I think in this direction. Yeah. In this direction. Do you want to leave Ilex Forest? Click on yes, and now we exit from Ilex Forest. We completed this adventure, and now new places explored opened. Ilex Forest Shrine. You can see. So now in this